Good morning, friends. Today we are discussing about the new revised syllabus of BA second year. First of all, we will understand what is the basic concept of studying English and why this syllabus is put forth for the students of BA second year, BSc second year, that is undergraduate study. The objectives of the study is to enhance the ability of the learners to communicate in English through close reading of selected literary texts. It means through the study of the various types of genres of literature. The university aims to inculcate the language skill in the students, to develop skills of listening, speaking, reading, writing, viewing and representing by conducting classroom activities prescribed in the curriculum. To make the learners capable in the use of English language for the purpose of meaningful communication. Without understanding the tenets of the English language, we cannot communicate well with the foreigners or the person who understands English very well. To make the learner capable in the use of English language in day-to-day life, in business transactions, at various places of communication. To refine the linguistics competence of the learners through lessons in essential grammar. It is necessary to understand the language better. We should have very good knowledge of the construction, structural and phonemic understanding of this language. To carry out a training of using the English language for media and electronic communication, the aim highlights the very essentials of living in metropolis civilization. The university has prescribed us syllabus for 2 semesters, the semester 3 and semester 4. The name of the paper is Ability Enhancement Compulsory Course. It is called as English Communication for all the classes of second year degree course. First semester 3 consists of short story, poetry, non-fictional prose, grammar, communication skills, etc. The first part of this syllabus, semester 3, consists of short story, The Model Millionaire by Oscar Wilde, The Lost Child by Mulk Raj Anand. In poetry section we have The Gift of India by Sarojini Naidu and Desiderata Max Aaron. In non-fictional prose we have At School by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and The Flying Sikh by Milkha Singh. In grammar section we are going to study direct indirect narrations and the writing for the print media. Nowadays we are using the various kinds of medias to reach out the students. In semester 4 we have short stories, The Remorseful Sinner by Leo Tolstoy, a famous Russian novelist, and The Sniper, Lamb O' Flaherty. These are the 2 short stories prescribed for our syllabus. In poetry section we have one poem by S.T. Coleridge titled Love and Courage by Anne Sexton. Dealing with non-fictional prose we have To Youth by Sardar Bhagat Singh and The Quest for Happiness by Dalai Lama. In grammar and communication section we have active voice and passive voice and writing for electronic media. This is our syllabus for semester 3 and semester 4 subsequently. We will see the question pattern for semester 3. We have questions, we will ask 5 questions for each semester. Question number 1, question number 2, question number 3 and question number 4 will have equal weightage of marks, means each question have 10 marks, 40. 4 descriptive essay type questions will be asked based on units, modules 1, 2 and 3. These are for 10 marks each. Question number 5 will have question based on module number 4, that is grammar and communication skill. It will have 5 plus 5 weightage of 10 marks. Total marks will be 50 for 2 credits, and this syllabus is based on choice based credit system, so we should be very cautious about scoring credits for our further post graduation study. If you wish to join optional English at postgraduate level, you have to score at least 75% of marks in UG level. This syllabus aims at inculcating and enhancing the ability of the speaker to speak in English, to have a comprehensive outlook towards language, and to have very fundamental approach to the study of English. English has got prominence in modern techno-savvy world, and we should not be very much away from the contemporary situation. The world is moving very fast. We have to speed up our pace, and then only we will achieve our aim and objective of the modern age. Thank you very much.